e.l.f. Cosmetics just released this Wing It liner brush. It has gone almost viral. I've seen it all over my For You page. Apparently it makes making a wing liner super easy because of the shape. I've been trying to find it everywhere. I've gone to multiple Targets, multiple Ultas. It's been sold out everywhere. So I took an opportunity to find a dupe for a very inexpensive product already. I moseyed on over to Amazon to see if I can find a brush that looked similar to the Wing It liner brush from e.l.f. And I think I found one, you guys. I don't even know what brand this is, but it looks very similar to the Wing It liner brush. So we're gonna try it and see if I can get a really good line. I'm just gonna go in with a regular gel pot over here. This is from Maybelline, brand new. A lot of people have been doing is coating the sides and then coating the edge of it. Okay, so far so good. It's thin enough where you can kind of really get into the hairs. And that's the biggest thing, is you don't want to do a thick line. You really just want to stay really close to the lashes as possible. Okay, now, moment of truth. Let's do a wing. Breathe. We're gonna hope for the best. I mean, I'm gonna do it on this side because it's always harder on my left eye since I am right-handed. I can't believe how easy it is to just go in with this brush. It's gliding all over my texture without skipping. Can you see that? That's the biggest thing, mature skin. I have all of these wrinkles and texture, which kind of makes doing liner kind of hard. Oh, this brush. Okay, let's do a wing. That, there's something with this kind of a shape, you guys. So I think e.l.f. had it. Now, I don't know who came up with it first. I don't know, but I don't know. The e.l.f. one has been going viral all over TikTok, but I just grabbed this one from Amazon. And in fact, it came in a 3-pack. It came with another one, which this one might be a little thicker. It came with this one, and this one that I used yesterday. So it came in 3, and the 3 of them was $4 on Amazon. There's something with this shape, you guys. It did a really easy eye. Okay, if you've been having a hard time finding the one from e.l.f., head on over to my Amazon storefront. I will link this here. It is almost the exact same shape as the e.l.f. one. This is good.